Got the Envy cockpit with the Envy wheels. Pinarello carbon track frame. Got the water bottle cage. Got a big gear ratio. Got a 53 with the lug pedals. Campanolo record crankset. Look how much space I have. Got the Zoomy gold chain. 5314 with the back Envy gator skins 25. Looking real smooth and clean. DT Swiss hubs. Sheesh. Front and back. The valve. The back design looks so nice with the Envy C post to match the setup. Red carbon fiber saddle with the red specialized saddlebag, so I can put my tubes in there or carry whatever I want. Looking real nice with the Pinarello collar, C-post. Overall, this bike is amazing. Got some regular drops and data with my bell. Envy black bar tape. I messed it up because I got into a little accident, as you guys can see right over here, but nothing crazy. I could still ride her. Trying to get some Envy carbon drops, flat bars, so I could match the stem and overall the aerodynamic bike that it is itself. Like the way the color looks and the design looks so steezy with the Envy bar ends. Pinarello top cap. Yes, sir. Nobody's doing it the way I'm doing it. Woo! With the Envy wheels, man. This shit, I can't stop looking at this bike. This bike is so nice and beautiful. Oh, man. Super light. Carbon fiber, everything. Carbon fiber, everything except the handlebars. The handlebars are aluminum. But everything on this bike except also the crankset and the chain ring. The chain ring's aluminum and aluminum, right? So the hubs, I'm pretty sure aluminum, but the wheels, the frame, C-post, seat, stem, fork, front wheel, it's carbon fiber. Yes, sir. We all saw. Actually, it's been a minute since you guys see me on this bike, and the only reason is because it's been snowing and raining this past couple of months. So, you know, I'm not gonna bring her out and get her dirty. So that's why I'm riding the Chanelli Shark for work, if you guys already know that. But today's a beautiful day outside. It is 12:02 in the afternoon, and we're getting ready right now to go to the Dumpling and Donut ride in the city. We're supposed to be there right now, but we're kind of running behind, so we're just gonna catch up probably in the mid-ride or whatever, because Eddie and Xavier, they're already over there. So, you know, I'm just gonna check the location and see what's up. But yeah, I'm just outside on my Pinarello track bike, looking real nice and steezy with the Envy wheels. I was like, you know what, I have to bring her out because the weather's getting better. If you guys know, or if you live in NYC, we're getting back to 40s, so, you know, better than not just bring out my Pinarello track bike, even though, you know, I have a big gear ratio, but, you know, nothing's gonna stop me from riding. I have a 53 chain ring from box 14, and I'm running a 14 in the back, so that's pretty intense. And I kind of like it. At the same time, I kind of do not like it because, you know, like, once you start riding or pedaling on this big gear ratio, you're gonna have to gain so much speed back, and it's just like so much work. But once you're riding and going with the flow, you're just automatically like going down like super fast. You know, like 53-14 is a good gear ratio, especially if you're at the end of velodrome track, or if you're racing crits or whatever, or you just overall want to go fast. Like, I feel like 53 and 14, it's the right gear ratio. But, you know, I'm just outside riding the streets, you know, I'm not really racing, so I feel like I'm bugging out at the same time. But fuck it, you know, like some people be telling me, oh, you're gonna blow out your knees, blah blah, you know what I mean? Like, you know, I don't give a f. But we outside, and honestly, like, big gear ratios is where it's at. On my Shark
for working. I have a 49/16, so you guys already know that, you know, I'm not gonna be rocking a big gear ratio for work, right? There's no, it makes no point, because you know I'm gonna have to be stopping and going up hills and turning corners and stuff. So this bike is just honestly just if I'm riding long distance or if I'm racing, to be honest, or if it's a good day outside like today. It is also what, it's February 23rd and it's 12:04. It's Sunday, it's the weekend. So just showing you guys my setup really quick. And it's a size 56, everything carbon fiber except my crankset, my chain, and my bars. I'm gonna have to invest in that soon once I get my road bike. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna be rocking my Pinarello carbon track bike, as you guys can see, looking real steezy. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna upgrade anything else except the handlebars, because as you guys can see, I have regular handlebars. I'm trying to get something like more aerodynamic so it could really go with the bike. But overall, she's sitting pretty nice. So that's about it. So I'm gonna strap the GoPro on and save my battery, so that way when we get to the ride out, you know, I could film some footage and see what's up. Because you know, when it's super cold out there, if you have a GoPro, you guys already know about this, that your camera is gonna freeze up. It's gonna freeze the motherboard, because you know it's super cold out there when you're riding, all that wind hitting your GoPro. So today it is at 40 degrees, so I feel like it's not gonna die, and we're gonna have enough time to film and, you know, just film some cinematic clips of riding track bikes. So I'll see you guys in a few. At the Queensbridge, crossing over to the Manhattan side, about to link up with the homies and ride down 2nd Avenue to the Dumpling spot. And we just got to the city. Just got over the Queensbridge right behind me. Apparently the ride out already left. Oh my God! Shee, who that? Got the whole squad out here. Yes, sir. North Dumplings. Oh, we got Paulo here. Yo, what's good, my boy? Paulo. Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up to the people, my boy. What's up, puppy? Shit is banging, my boy. Some crazy ass dumplings. Came and pick it up with this one.
I don't like the guy, but I could understand why people voted that way, because they can't trust the farmer.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I like the guy. I like the guy.
I don't get that.
Yo, this tea crack, bro. I got 3 gallons. Yo, this, yo, when you get this.
Fair enough.
Ooh, this tea, bro. I got 2.
Oh.
Yeah, I use that to clean my rust off on vehicles. You know what it is, bro? Like,
He said he cleans his car parts with some Coke.
y'all drinking poison, man. Good luck.
Exactly, but
You not getting food, Cuzzo?
But
Not getting food?
no, I'm about to get some.
Somebody order more, no cap.
What's that?
Sesame pancakes.
get it with beef.
Oh my god. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you. Those dumplings, bro, I'm about to get some more, man.
Scallion pancake. Get it with beef. What you say?
Like maybe I should.
Because they're doing it fresh over there. And my boy Jack just got himself some, what's that?
Sesame pancakes.
They got spring rolls. Everything fresh out here. Oh, yes.
No, I said for more napkin.
I got you. Can I also get napkins? Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you good, bro. Mine's locked up.
Round
Is
two.
it locked up? All right, move it if you can.
Had to, bro. Had to.
With the
We got Soho out here.
hand gang.
Yes, sir.
Full of Bronx.
Oh, he got the wonton soup. Oh, yeah. I see you, bro.
Right, you saw with the
Move my
gang.
helmet, I got
Oh, yeah,
you.
facts. Let me move my helmet muffled, bro. Alright.
I might get more of the cheese.
I ain't gonna front
right there.
I might have to keep Korean barbecue sauce in my bag. That shit always hit. Nigga, you can't never go wrong.
Yeah, just like, you know, you gotta carry some Valentina sauce whenever you gotta eat, you know,
What?
Valentina sauce.
Nah, I'm a bro.
Niggas not playing with the Valentina.
Yeah. Gotta carry with you. If you know, you know.
Nigga, if there is a sauce, hombre, bracero,
Wait
nigga,
there. We're gonna be there.
every time you open a bottle.
That shit do taste authentically spicy.
A huevo.
Simon.
Oh, with some limon. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
he's talking crazy right now.
Nigga sound like my dad. That's how that nigga eat. Lemon, Corona.
Nigga Saki.
Man.
Osaki.
Yeah.
That's a bitch ass right there too. Yo, we going to the right, to the right, to the right. Yo, hey, sir, what's up, nigga?
What up? What up?
Yo, what up,
I gotta deal with you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today's Sunday.
Yes, sir. Always. And the cargo bike. Nah, pace it, chill pace. Yeah, I just hate. I don't know, man. Look at him. Give me a second, Andy. Give me a second. Close call.
License and registration.
Before I get demonetized.
Oh, word. Bro, I think I broke a tooth.
No way.
Yeah, look.
Yes, Eddie broke a tooth. So wait, you can't run no more?
You can stay?
Ah, the chain ring.
Oh, see. I just broke my tooth. There you go, man.
Damn. Too much watts.
Oh my God, I'm dead, bro.
Too much watts.
We gotta eat again.
You about to get some donuts right now.
We gotta eat again.
You need more
Carbs.
More carbs?
We gotta get the donuts now.
Facts.
Fuck.
Oh fuck.
I'm like, yo, who's fucking...
Oh.
What's up, buddy?
Motherfucker chilling. I'm over here dying.
Yo, you guys were flying.
I'm flying.
On the onion.
Be outside.
Oh, shut
Yeah, hold it. Hold it.
We're gonna make a right. Right there.
Straight.
All the way straight. All the way straight. All the way. Get it!
Straight.
Nah, no, but he left because he doesn't want to be inside. We'll call him back because we're about to be outside. Bro, we right in 10 minutes, bro. Come on, nigga. Man, move, bro. They think my mom is fired. Yo, Gunny. Yo, man, just one fresh shit.
Outside.
You say you like. I was about to say I would have got you doing that. Faster, man. I was cutting down.
Too heavy.
All right, one more time.
Wow, you see? Times like this.
But I need the filter next time though. Next time we get in there.
What this car is? You do one more?
Happy by you.